Today's video, a little race action for you. Japanese Honda CRF110 2021.
2021.
Fuel injection. 2019, 2018 SSR Honda 125.
Semi-automatic, manual.
Five speed? No, 4-speed.
Both four speeds.
Both 4 speeds.
Bigger tires, right? No, same size. 12, 14s both.
So we're gonna take him on the road. We're gonna have the GoPro on the Honda because that's gonna be behind it. So, you know, that'll be the best way to record is having it behind.
So he thinks.
If you haven't checked out the top speed of the Honda CRF, make sure you go do that. We also have a top speed of this bike on the channel as well, so you can watch both of those before you watch this video, so you get an idea of predictions. Against my better judgment, I'm gonna put a helmet on today, and Caleb, of course, has been pretty wise in putting a helmet on all the videos, so both of us gonna helmet up. I'm predicting the SSR should take care of business, but the Honda, you never know. With Japanese stuff, you never know.
I'm predicting there's going to be some waxing happening, and it's not going to be me.
Oh, no. So time to hit the road, and Mark's going to be taking care of the flyby shot, and the GoPro will be running. We'll do maybe like 1 or 2 down and backs, and that should be enough to tell which is faster. So let's hit the road.
No, just go dead start.
Dead start. Oh.
Once we get down to like that driveway.
Yeah.
Well, pretty much sums up our assumptions. Hey, let's rolling at the driveway.
Rolling at the driveway.
Second gear.
Second gear. Second gear, boys.
Alright, guys.
Cocksucking fly in my helmet.
I got a bee in my helmet. Alright, at the driveway.
My first jump off the line, wheelied. I mean, it had so much grab. I just kind of dumped the clutch and let it have it.
He couldn't have had a better jump, but I had a great start.
Yeah.
That's what I said. That's the only shot
I didn't catch him until third gear.
Yeah.
And I finally caught up.
Once I clicked fourth, his third gear was just winding out. And he clicked fourth.
Yep. And I will tell you, I had a fly in my helmet for about 3/4 of that. So I'm seeing him. He's flying around in my goggles, and I'm like, dude, I swear to God, if I get a bug in my eye, I'm gonna be so pissed.
Or in the mouth.
So I'm like, please fly, just calm down. This helmet's been sitting in the upstairs closet for, I don't know, a couple months at least.
But on the rolling start on the way down, I got you a little bit maybe on the jump, and then it was
like I was in second, we were neck and neck.
Yeah.
As soon as I cracked the throttle,
yeah,
I was gone. Never looked back. So yeah, it was good. It was fun. Yeah. This has got a little more. I think it winds out a little farther, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, a little bit longer gears.
No idea if the gear ratios are the same. I might have different sprocket ratios. I don't have to. I might should try to check that, but we just wanted to see if a Chinese bike could hang out with the 110, and clearly it can.
Waxing, like I thought.
Yeah, prediction was pretty much what we figured. So,
all right. Well, you guys like this video? You want to see more race videos? We got a couple more pit bikes we could line up against it. So maybe guy behind the camera, he's got an SSR 110 semi that would be a very good show.
Oh, the old OG, bud.
But she might need a little work though. Timing chain sounds like she's about to come through.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll try to line them up against different bikes and maybe do like a little bracket challenge. You know, put the 1 against the 4 seed and kind of do
see what happens.
Seed them out. So.
Alrighty, guys. Until next time.